In this video, I'll show you how to fix Voicemod not working and what to do if Voicemod has completely broken your mic as well. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right until the end to know all of the fixes. And let's go and get straight into this. Here we are inside of Voicemod, and just to clarify, in this video, I'm showing you how to fix Voicemod not applying effects to your voice, and also how to fix Voicemod if it's completely broken your mic and it's not working. So the first thing you want to go and do is just make sure you're using your correct mic on Voicemod. So all you want to do is come into your settings in Voicemod, so go and click on settings just here, and then make sure you select audio. Then what you want to do is make sure you're using the mic that you usually use and that's actually plugged in. In this case, mine is working. As you can see, my audio is moving here. But if yours is selected on line, if I go and select line, for example, I'm getting no input because that mic doesn't work for me. So make sure you're using the correct mic. Then once you've done that, I just want to quickly clarify how Voicemod actually works. So I'm just going to go back to the default page. But at this bottom bar, if you want to go and apply a voice changer to your voice, you need to make sure you go and press this switch here, and then it's going to start applying the voice changer you've selected here on. And then when you just want it to be your usual voice, you turn it off, and then you're going to sound normal. And that's the sort of the main important thing to share. But now we need to go and jump into a program. Let's go and open up Discord just like so. So here we are. Then all you want to do is go to your settings. So this is going to apply for any program where you use your mic. This could be a game, for example, where you can use in-game mics. Go to your settings of the program or Discord, depending on what you're using. Then come down to, you can see your voice and video settings, probably going to be voice and games. Click here, and then all you want to do is come up to input device. Now at the moment I'm using my microphone, but you want to go and click on this, and as you can see, we've got this option for the Voicemod virtual audio device. So if you want your audio to be changed in Discord through Voicemod, like applying effects and pitches, you need this selected. Then all you need to do is come into Voicemod, and you can go and switch this on, and then your voice is going to be changed. This is because Voicemod is not changing your actual mic, it's making its own channel and input, which is why it needs to be selected. That's honestly a really great fix. However, if you find your Discord is broken, this is because you've gone and selected this. So all you want to do is come back to your user settings, and then you want to change it back to your default mic, because sometimes this Voicemod audio input may be glitching and it may just not be working, or something else has gone wrong. So just make sure it's set to your default mic, and then it should be working. So now let's head back into the next fix. So the next fix is actually off of Discord or the program you're using, and it's going into your overall sound settings. So all you need to do is come to the bottom right of Windows and go and find the speaker or sound picture like this in your tray. However, you can also just go and search your computer for sound settings. Then all you need to do is right click on this and go click sound settings. As I just mentioned, you can just go into your settings and click on sound. Then what you want to do is come down to input. As you can see at the moment, I've got my mic selected. But if you've gone and got your Voicemod virtual audio device selected, this means whenever you apply effect, your whole computer's audio is going to be changed. So if you apply a pitch, that means everything you use inside of your computer is going to have that pitch applied. But it also means if the Voicemod audio input is glitching, this is also going to mean your computer has no audio input. So come to your input device and change it back here. And it's just going to depend if you're trying to fix it or if you're trying to apply your mic to the whole of your computer. That's going to depend there, but just try testing both. And as you can see, it shows you when you're speaking. So you can also, if it's empty, well, it's on the Voicemod virtual audio, that means it's causing an issue and it's not working. So yeah. So that's honestly the main fix, guys. The other things you can also go and try is just going and uninstalling Voicemod. But before you go and uninstall Voicemod, it's probably worth just restarting your computer, as sometimes that's going to restart the audio drivers and get things working, but otherwise you may need to go and uninstall it. So make sure you fully shut down Voicemod just like so. And then all you need to do is go and search for uninstall program like that. Add or remove programs, and then you can go and search for Voicemod here. So go and search this list of Voicemod. And then you can go and click here, and then you can go and click uninstall and follow the instructions. I hope you did find this video useful. If you did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Have a great day. Peace.